Chapter number 15, Chemistry in Everyday Life. Chemicals in Medicine. One of the most important contributions of chemistry to the society is the medicines or drugs. 1. Antipyretics. The chemical substances which are used to bring down body temperature in high fever are called antipyretics. Example: aspirin, phenantacin, paracetamol. 2. Analgesics. The chemical compounds used for relieving pain without causing impairment of consciousness, mental confusion, incoordination, or paralysis, or some other disorder in the nerve system are called analgesics. Analgesics can be classified into following two categories. 1. Non-narcotic, that means non-addictive analgesics. 2. Narcotic, that is addictive analgesics. 1. Non-narcotic analgesics. Example: aspirin, paracetamol, etc. 2. Narcotic analgesics: morphine, heroin, codeine, etc. Tranquilizers. The chemical substances used for the treatment of stress, mild and severe mental diseases are called tranquilizer. Example: Vernolol, Amytal, Nebutal, etc. Fourth one, antiseptics. The chemical substances which kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms are called antiseptics. They can safely be applied to living tissues. Thus, they can be applied to wound, cuts, ulcers, and diseased skin surfaces. Example: furacin, soframycin, etc. They can also be used to reduce the odor resulting from the bacterial decomposition on the body or in the mouth. Therefore, they are often added to the deodorants, face powders, and breath purifiers. 5. Disinfectants. Those chemical substances which are capable of killing microorganisms but are not safe to be applied on the living tissues. That is the difference. They are applied to inanimate objects such as floor, drains, and instruments, etc. From this, the syllabus, one more point is there: distinguish antiseptics and disinfectants. You have to draw two columns and you can write the same points as the differences and examples also. Disinfectants: example, chlorine, iodine, Dettol, etc. In this, iodine and Dettol in mild quantities used as an antiseptic also. Antimicrobials. The chemical substances used to cure diseases caused by microbes or microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, etc. are called antimicrobials. The important antimicrobial drugs are antibiotics, sulfur drugs, antiseptics, and disinfectants. Antiseptics and disinfectants we already discussed. The other points, that is antibiotics and sulfur drugs.